Hey, welcome back, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my new video. Today, we will discuss about the structure of the business partner. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the introduction of the business partner, the concept of the business partner. Then we moved ahead and we discussed about the different roles. Today, we will discuss the structure of the business partner, how SAP has structured the business partner, what are the different components of this structure. So we will discuss today. Guys, there are three main component of the business partner structure. Those main components are: one is the business partner roles, business partner role categories and grouping. So these are the main component. Of course, there are many. We will discuss everything in detail. Now, with respect to the business partner role categories and roles, let us understand and then we will move ahead on this journey. Business partner roles, they presents the different aspect of the business partner, guys. For example, we all know we are having the different roles of the business partner. It can be first the business partner general data, we call it as a lead master. Then we are having the finance view of the customer, we are having the sales view of the customer, we are having the purchasing view of the supplier, and finance view of the supplier master. Now we will see in the system all three different components of the business partner. I'll show you how to navigate to this. Let's start from the SPRO slash n SPRO IMG. After this cross application component, expand this node of the cross application component, guys. Then SAP business partner. Then business partner. Under the SAP business partner, we are having the subnode as a business partner. Basic setting. Under the basic setting, we have to expand the node business partner roles. So this is the clock icon. Click on the business partner roles. First, I will walk you through from all the roles. Then we will move to the role categories and grouping, guys. Okay. I'll show you the business partner roles. So business partner general. First, I'll show you the general role. This is called the business partner general role, guys. Okay. With this role, we create the lead master. We create the lead master. Oh, this is a business partner general data screen, guys. Okay. First, I'll show you all the roles. Then I'll move ahead to the role categories. So this is the general role, or we call this as a lead master. Please remember this: once we create the business partner general role, the same general data can be shared across the roles, guys. Whether we are creating the HT customer, we are creating FI customer, we are creating purchasing, we are creating the vendor master or supplier master, purchasing view of the vendor master or finance view of the vendor master, the same business partner can be shared across the roles. Okay. Now I'll show you the sales role, that is FLCU01. So this is called the sales role. This is a standard delivered object. FLCU01 is the role ID, guys. Okay. So remember the role ID, that is FLCU01. You can select this, click on this detailed icon here. This is our standard role for the sales view of the customer master. You are seeing this business partner role category. I'll explain you the significance of this and the significance of the standard assignment of the business partner role to the business partner role category. I'll explain that. So this is our sales role of the customer master. Moving on. Now I'll show you the finance role of the customer, that is FLCU00. Guys, remember the role ID. When you are creating a new, you are doing a new setup, you can leverage the standard deliver objects, or you can copy it and create a new one. I will recommend you, if you want to do the changes, you want to modify the roles, copy and create always a new one, guys. We should not hamper the standard SAP delivered objects. They are always available for our reference purpose. Okay. So now this is the FLCU. We have already seen the sales role. We will see the finance view. You can see the standard FICO role. Here you are seeing the standard SD role. Now this is standard FICO role. Select this, click on this detail view, guys. This is the finance view of the customer master. Okay. I'll show you the vendor as well. Then we'll move ahead to the SAP credit management. Now FLVN 00. So FLVN 00 is nothing but our finance view of the vendor master. As we already know, vendor and supplier both are interchangeable terms, guys. So this is the finance view of the vendor master. Select. You can navigate here into the detailed view. FLVN01, this is the purchasing view of the vendor master. You can see this PURC, purchasing view of the vendor master. Select this, click on the detailed view, guys. This is the purchasing view. Now I'll show you the SAP credit management role. That is, the role ID is UKM000, guys. See, UKM000. We use this role when we extend the business partner role for the SAP credit management. In case any business they are using the credit management, we have to extend the role of the SAP business partner to the credit management. That is SAP credit management. Remember the role ID UKM000. All right, now I'll note down and we'll move ahead for the next step. So we have seen the business partner role. FLCU00. This is the finance view of the customer master. Finance view of the customer master. FLCU01. This is the sales view of the customer master. FLVN00. This is the finance view of the supplier master, guys. FLVN01. This is the purchasing view of the supplier master. Now the role that we are going to see, that is UKM000, guys. UKM000. That is the SAP credit management role. SAP credit management role. Okay, so these are the different roles that we discussed. There are some other roles we can very well discuss later in case that will be needed. Now we will move ahead on the categories, role categories, business partner role categories. I'll select the standard business partner role. Then we will navigate to the business partner role category, and I will explain you the significance of the business partner role categories. FLCU01. So this is our sales view of the customer master. Select this, click on the business partner role category, click on the position. Select this, click on the detailed view. This is our business partner role category, guys. Please pay attention, everyone. Business partner role category dictates whether you can create or user can create a business partner type as a person, organization, or group. This is totally regulated by the business partner role category, guys. The complete the complete control lies in the business partner role categories. If you are unchecking the person and group and you are saving the changes, system will not allow you to create the business partner type as a person and group because you have deactivated these two controls. So first and foremost important thing here is, once we have finalized the requirement, which all the different business partner types should be allowed, based on that we have to mark here these controls. That is very important. These control derives whether system should allow to create different types of the business partner, person, organization, and group. This is the prime significance of the business partner role categories. Now we will move ahead to the, this is in the business partner role category and business transaction. Here we are assigning these transactions. You are seeing this transaction. System will, if you are assigning these transaction codes here, system will allow you to use this transaction code for this role category. This is a significance of business partner role category and allowed business transactions. So this was the second component, guys. Second and most important component. Now, another important part that I want to explain you. Select this, go here. When we are creating the business partner role, this assignment is mandatory, guys. We have to assign the business partner role category in the screen of the business partner role. It's a mandatory, guys, and we can select this standard business partner role assignment to the business partner role category. So this is again another third and important control, guys. Moving ahead, now I'll walk you through about the business partner grouping. So before moving ahead, I'll explain you business partner grouping is nothing but and a very similar activity the way we are having the account group in SAP ECC. In SAP ECC, we are having the account group that we can create through the transaction code OVD2. Through the transaction code OVD2, we can create the account group and we can use that account group for the different purpose. See, we will discuss further the significance of the account group, why we use the account group and SAP ECC, what all the different roles that account group perform, like defining the number ranges, segregation of the customers, whether customer is a domestic customer or international customer. We will discuss that. Yeah, but the main significance of the account group in SAP ECC is it derives the number range of the customer master or vendor master, guys. It derives the number ranges. Very similar to in our SAP S4, we are having the grouping. So grouping in SAP S4 is similar to the account group in SAP ECC. Okay, now I'll show you guys. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, cross application component, then SAP business partner, basic setting, number range and grouping, define number range, and define grouping and assign number range. So this is very important configuration, guys. Here, this grouping is nothing but the very similar object the way we define the account group in SAP ECC. So this is similar to the account group, guys. We can click on the new entry. We can define here about the account group. We can link the number ranges, and this configuration is ready. In the next video, we will discuss with more on the business partner. We will move ahead and we will start doing the configuration with respect to the prerequisites. So today we have discussed about the structure of the business partner. So this was the high level structure of the business partner, guys. We have discussed the important component of the structure. From the next video, we will start doing the core configuration. The core configuration will be establishing and configuring the different prerequisites of the business partner before starting the base configuration. So we will do the prerequisites, we will configure all the prerequisites, then we will move ahead on the base configuration, guys. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys. Happy learning.